let's be real. Every day you don't control your digital marketing, you let your money fly away. Are you in the home services or home improvement industry and still relying on word of mouth? Morning. Still using those lead apps from the Stone Age? Still watching PPC draining your budget? Seriously? Come on, wake up. Stop fighting the future. Here's the truth no one says. Being great at what you do isn't enough. Oh, thanks. Not without leads.
Do you have an appointment?
And if you're watching this, well, chances are you need more.
Sir?
Leads. Look at this team. This is the firepower you need if you actually want to win. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Keep making me proud.
Do you work here?
This guy. Meanwhile, your competitors, they are killing it online. Construction, HVAC, roofing, chimney work. We get it. You're great at what you do, but jobs aren't coming in. It's not the season, it's not the customers, it's your digital presence. And it's about you trying to do everything by yourself. This ends today. Green City's got your back. You focus on being great. They bring the leads.
Too much.
Dude.
Done showing them all your tricks and shticks.
Shticks? Seriously? Sorry for trying to make your ad interesting. I'm exhausted, by the way. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, you're welcome. Now, let's talk business. Green City isn't your typical marketing agency. We've built multi-million-dollar service businesses ourselves. We were in your shoes, and we know that leads are everything. So, here's the deal. 10 video commercials, campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, social media posts, landing pages, lead management system, and office team training, all under the same roof, 100% done for you.
Boring! Dude, you can't just lecture into the camera. This is a cinematic commercial. Throw in some visuals, spice it up.
A little while later.
This is your moment. Keep struggling alone or join us and slice your way into real results.
Oh, slice your way. Okay, that's why you have the... Okay.
Our system works, but we don't take just anyone. Only serious business owners with ads budget.
And between us, if you made it this far, they must be doing something right.
Book your 30-minute free consultation call today.
Or fill out the form and they will let you know if you made the cut. Got it? Made the cut because of the...
I got it.
You know, yeah.